Hi, Chef Joe with Healthy Kids Inc. and today we're going to be making a kale pesto pasta with sauteed shrimp. So we've got our pan heating for our shrimp. Our shrimp is here. We've already removed the tails. It's nice and thawed. We've got a pot of boiling salted water with a splash of oil that we're going to drop our pasta in. We'll do that first. And we whiz up our pesto. Drop my noodles. Alright, now for our pesto, it's got some oil. We have garlic and pine nuts. We have some fresh cracked black pepper. Some Parmesan cheese. I have some edamame. Some kale, touch more oil, and a splash of water. I'll whiz that up in just a second. Just give my pasta a little there. Thin it down just a little bit more. The rest of our cheese. A bit more edamame. Don't need any salt because the Parmesan is already salty enough. If you do add any, just add just a pinch. I'm going to forgo the salt. Alright, our pesto is ready. Okay, so we've got our shrimp here. We've got some garlic powder. I'm going to season it with. Just kind of give it a shake. Saute in them. Cracks of black pepper. Let those cook. Okay, our shrimp are just about done. Turn the heat way down. We're going to let them go for a couple more minutes. Okay, our shrimp are done, our noodles are ready. Add a little bit of pesto to our noodles. Toss, and then we'll plate it up and show you the finished product in just a couple of minutes.